Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how to change page size in WPS Office. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Page Layout tab, and here you can find really useful settings. One of them is of course size, so we need to click on it because it will let you to choose a paper size for the current section. So I click here, and then you will be able to select one from available page size from the list. On default it is set to A4, but of course you can select another one page size if you want. For example, I'm going to change it to A5, so I click here to do it. How you see, it has been successfully changed to this one page size, but remember that you can always try to set a custom page size if you want. To do it, we need to click on size option again, and then we need to click on more paper size. So I click here, and now on paper size we need to select custom. And for example, I'm going to type here on width 10 and on height maybe 3. Then I click OK button, and how you see, it has been successfully changed to custom size. So in this way you can edit page size in WPS Office. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.